Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a zoom effect on Videoleap. So here we are on Videoleap, and I have currently opened my project already. So Videoleap, like other video editors, have some features that can make it a competitor amongst video editing software such as Premiere Pro. What Videoleap has that other Android video editors doesn't have are keyframes. Let me explain to you how that works. So if you click to a part of the video here, and then let's just go to animation over, not that one. So as you can see here on the right corner, you will see that there's this diamond shape. Well, that, my friends, is a keyframe, and what it does is that it creates an animation that will change to what it was before to what it is in the next keyframe. So let me show you how it works. So I add a keyframe here. So as you can see, it says keyframes let you determine how a specific frame will behave at a specific time. This allows animating or changing certain parameters of the clip over time. Alright, so as you can see here, we have set a keyframe, and now we can add another keyframe here. It looks like this here now, but if we do this at this other part of the keyframe and then just zoom in, look what happens. Ta-da! As you can see, it did a zoom effect, and not only that, it even turned around. You can do whatever you want with it, and if you want to make the animation faster, you can head back there, drag this keyframe, remove that keyframe, and place it closer to the keyframe on the previous keyframe, zoom it in, and you will see the difference. You saw the difference there. As you can see, it was faster. And that's it. That is how you can add a zoom effect on Videoleap. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.